Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Sovrn affiliate tracking scripts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Sovrn affiliate tracking scripts, start by accessing your website's backend. Log into your content management system, such as WordPress. Navigate to the section where your website's themes or templates are stored. Locate the theme that is currently active on your site. Look for the header.php file or equivalent file where scripts are usually added. Open the header.php file using the built-in editor or an external code editor. Search for the Sovrn affiliate tracking script within the file. The script typically begins with script and includes Sovrn in the URL. Carefully select the entire script block. Delete the selected script from the file. Save your changes in the editor. Next, check for any additional script placements in the footer.php file. Open footer.php and repeat the search for the Sovrn affiliate tracking script. If found, delete it as well and save any changes. Now, clear your website's cache if you are using caching plugins. This step ensures that your site reflects the latest updates. After clearing your cache, visit your website to verify the changes. Use developer tools in your browser to ensure the Sovrn script is no longer loaded. If you don't find the script, your removal was successful. Lastly, monitor your site's performance to ensure everything functions as expected. You have now successfully disabled Sovrn affiliate tracking scripts on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.